Step onto the 2012 Honda Civic Cape-X. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, automatic headlights, premium sound system, MP3 player, auxiliary audio input and Bluetooth connection. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.